Hey guys, the Mechanic Man 92 here. So, yeah, my box is broken. Actually, yeah, the slide kind of broke off there, and this one, some of the, I don't know if you can see it, but some of the ball bearings broke out. Here, hold on one second. One of the ball bearings fell out over there. And let's see. Yeah, some of the ball bearings fell out right here as well. So these are the two drawers that broke off, or that the ball bearings broke off. This actually broke off. And that had all the ball bearings in it. Those are all the ball bearings right there. So, sorry about that. I did contact Home Depot. They said just bring the box to them and they'll give me my money back for it. So I plan on doing that. I switched everything over to my old Husky box. It works for now. Soon I'll be getting a newer one. But what I plan on doing is buying a camera today, hopefully. And yeah, I have another video that I plan on making today that I'll be posting tomorrow probably. And yeah, that's about it. It kind of sucks because I just got this box, when I get it. Beginning of February, I think. Yeah, I think I ordered it the end of January, and I got it the beginning of February. So, kind of sucks, but oh well, shit happens. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.